Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you the meal that I made today from the Home Chef box. This is the goat cheese and herb stuffed chicken. So it had, and it's for two, so it has the 2 pieces of chicken. It had 3 small little, I don't know, 3 small sweet potatoes, which I ended up roasting, so I just have them here prepared in the dish. And I have here my Ninja 3-in-1 cooking system. This is where I have the chicken, so that's just about ready. And again, this comes with everything. That's what I liked about this box. A friend of mine had recommended it. So it came with the garlic, the panko, the cornstarch, the onion salt, the dill, the cream cheese, the harissa sauce, and I never tasted harissa sauce, so that's what's kind of cool about this too, is that, you know, I get to try recipes that I probably wouldn't. And with the sweet potato and the garlic cloves, so again with the chicken, and let's see, yeah, so pretty much everything except for the oil and I think the pepper. So that's pretty much all that I needed to have extra. So I prepared the potatoes, roasted them, prepared the chicken, and this one says to put in a pan that you can put in the oven, and honestly I don't know if my pans are old. I don't know if I could really put them in the oven. So I love my Ninja 3-in-1 cooking system. It has where you can stovetop, do slow cooking, oven, buffet, my favorite utensil. And so now I'm going to go ahead and plate this. So here we go. Looks good, it smells good. I probably should have had, probably make like a little side salad. But I already did make this one the other day, the chipotle pepper and mango chutney with the shrimp. It was delicious. My next one is, I think, the tacos. So that's the last of the 3 meals that I had ordered. Let me see if I can find that card. So this is the one coming up next. And I can't remember what I ordered for next week, but this is really good. I'm really impressed and I really like it. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. If it's something that you want to try out, they did send me a code. So if you're interested in that with the discount code, just let me know. But hope everyone's having a great day and buon appetito. Ciao.